Welcome to our YouTube shorts on how to earn money from the stock market. Step 1. Educate yourself. Start by understanding the basics of the stock market, including stocks, trading, and investment strategies. Step 2. Set financial goals. Determine your objectives, whether it's long-term wealth creation or short-term gains. Step 3. Build a diversified portfolio. Spread your investments across different sectors to reduce risk. Step 4. Conduct research. Analyze companies, study financial reports, and stay updated on industry trends. Step 5. Develop a strategy. Based on your goals and research, create an investment strategy that aligns with your risk tolerance. Step 6. Open a brokerage account. Choose a reputable brokerage firm that provides access to the stock market. Narrator. Step 7. Monitor and adjust. Stay informed, make adjustments to your portfolio, and keep up with market trends. Remember, investing involves risks. Consult with a financial advisor or do thorough research before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more financial tips. Happy investing!